Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get pictures on Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. Once you're inside the app, you will see this kind of map interface. Now over here, in this map page, you can see different city names. In order to get pictures, you need to play games in these cities. In order to view the pictures that you have earned, you need to go to your profile settings first, tap on your profile, and here you can see the album section, tap on it. I've already completed games in Catalina City, so it is showing me the tick mark. If you tap on it, you will see all the pictures that you received in this city. So go back, currently I'm on the New York City event. If you tap on it, here you can see I've just earned 1 pictures out of 4. So you need to keep playing this game in order to get pictures. Once you collect all these 4 pictures, you'll get 10 Bingo Blitz credits. And another way to get pictures is to trade with your friends. So if you have excess number of pictures, you can trade it with your friends. So that's how you can get pictures on Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.